Hey folks, my name is Robert and I'm with my oldest son Jesse, and we are here, my daughter Joanna's over there, and we are in front of my 1989 Honda Civic Si, aka EM1, aka Project Honduh. And the reason why is what, Jesse? What we got?
We got the PCV Valve.
All right, so I got a new PC. Wow, see how hard it is.
It says PCV
Valve, and I got the Honda one. So I'll put the part in there, or I'll put the part number in the description. But this thing's expensive. This is like almost 30 bucks. But the reason why I'm changing it is because I do have oil leak and some oil consumption. So I'm hoping that this will fix it. I had the similar problem with this one, actually oil consumption, and by changing the PCV valve it helped. So we're hoping that this one will do it. I'll show you where it is. This is a 1999 Civic. It usually has a B16A engine, but this one is a B18C1 engine, but this is from an Acura Integra, so it's not a very conspicuous spot, and it's actually a little bit hard to get it. I'll be showing Jesse where it is because the engine's a little bit hot, so I don't want him to get burnt, but he'll know what to do next time when I need help. So we'll be right back. All right, folks, thanks for returning to the channel. If you haven't been here, please check out the videos, and if you do like it, please subscribe. And at the end of this video, please like and share it to people you think that could benefit from it. Again, this motor right here is a Honda B18C1, and it's usually from an Acura Integra GSR VTEC dual overhead cams. If you have a single overhead cam, the PCV is usually like right here, so very easy to access. So what we need is obviously the PCV valve, and the reason why again you get it is because maybe you're having some smoke coming out of the exhaust that it's blue smoke, you think it's oil, or oil consumption is happening, or oil leaks are happening. Because if you have a faulty PCV valve, it can cause those issues as well. So that's one of the first things you want to tackle. It also will affect idling, just overall running through RPM, VTEC, etc. So again, I got a Honda one, which is pretty darn expensive. I'll put the link in the description where to get it, and you could get ones at other parts stores for like a couple bucks to $5, but I decided to go full money on this. You do have to have a pair of needle nose pliers. I like to use this bent one here to work on things. You see that, Jesse? The bent one. You can use a straight one. It's going to be hard with your hands.
Yeah, I know it's recommended.
So
sometimes.
You got to use a tool.
Yeah.
Also, you can wear gloves. I'm not going to wear gloves because I don't know. I'm just not going to wear gloves. Anyways, but you should wear gloves. So let's go to it. How do you get it out? So first of all, let's show you where it is. I'm gonna get it in there.
Yeah, be careful, the engine's hot.
Right, engine's warm, try to let it cool down. So here's the engine, here's the intake, PCV valve. It's hard to see. Let's see if we can get in there.
See it? You took a flash on your phone?
Yeah, I did. Right there. You see that, dude? Right there. That's what I'm pointing at. You don't have to take the other end out. Don't take the other end out. Just replace that guy. You got a clip there. Let's see if I can zoom in there. Oops, too much. You got a clip right there, and then you got the PCV valve. Pop that out, place it, and that's it. But the harder part, most people might have a stock intake, so this gets in the way. You want to remove it. The aftermarket's a little easier for me to get in there. So I will demonstrate how to get this out, hopefully quickly. Is it good?
Yeah.
Okay.
Now it's not on the way head no more.
So we gotta get this clip out. So I like to clip it. Can you see that? And that's why I like this.
Yeah, I zoomed in so you guys.
This is why I like the angle one, the angle needle nose, because then I could squeeze it and kind of just shake it out.
I see it. I see it right there. It's coming out. Yeah.
Yeah. And then that way I can move it out and then have that angle versus trying to get straight in there. Yeah. So now I'm trying to get my hand from getting hot.
Yeah, hand's on the way right now, but you're trying to pull it out. You see it's going to. Careful, oil's hot. Remember,
everything's hot.
It's warming. Be careful.
So we're gonna tug it out. This is hot. I'm gonna tug the holes out if we can. Actually, let me pop it off from the bottom. It's stuck with a grommet.
Yeah, I know it is. Yeah, you see it's right there, bro.
It's okay.
Yeah, it's right there.
You should
Yeah, you see it's right there. Now you can try it now.
try to hook it up. Yeah.
Careful.
It's hot.
So you have to be careful. So just try hooking it up and be careful. Yeah, you see it's right there.
There we go.
Yeah, you see it came out.
I didn't want to squeeze it because I could break it in pieces by accident.
Yeah, you see it just came out already.
And then if we can,
I don't know if we can pull it out.
we gotta twist it out.
Yeah. Yeah, you can't see it.
It should be enough
Yeah, I see
that
it's
it won't stick. Hopefully.
Yeah, you see it's
Going.
twisted.
It's coming. There we go.
Yeah.
So generally the rule of thumb to check this
Yeah.
is to shake it. You do hear a click,
Yeah, you see, you hear it?
and then it's not dirty, but this is obviously aftermarket because OEM will be red. You can see the aftermarket unit that I removed is on the left, and the OEM one is on the right. The OEM one is noticeably smaller. You can see they're the same size, but check out the sound difference between the two. But this one here doesn't shake as much.
Yeah. I hear it. Yeah, it doesn't shake as much.
This one's like super shaker,
Yeah.
and this one's like actually
Yeah.
barely shakes. Okay, here
Yeah, there's a hole right there that I see.
There's a hole. I'll zoom into it later, but there's a hole right there. We gotta get that in there. Here we go.
Can't see it because it's hard there.
There we go.
Yeah, I think you keep pushing it. Try.
Yep. No, I pushed it in. See the hole. With it being red, it's easier.
Yeah, now you can
See.
yeah, I see it's better. Yeah.
There
you see
we
it
go.
went in, yes.
So now it's on. Oh, that was hard.
And you see
So that's it.
it's back in.
So it took forever because it took forever because it was a little hot for me. That was a bad idea. And also it was a little bit hard to see to get it back. But yeah, so just take your time, get one of these, big deal. And find someone, if you have big hands, find someone with smaller hands. But yeah, that's how you do it. Hopefully that'll help with everything, and that's it. Yeah, again, what do you say, Jesse?
Okay, thanks for watching and subscribe to our channel. Make sure to like our videos. Make sure to tap the bell icon for future videos, and peace out.
Peace out, guys.